Hi, today we have a Range Rover Evoque. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. Now, to replace this cabin filter is very difficult because the engineer who taught this, I don't know what he was thinking about. First, I'm going to remove this plastic cover for the fuses. We have to press these two pins, then we can remove it. Also, have to install these plastic pins. You can easily remove them. There are 3 of them. Now we can remove this part. And now you're going to see what I am talking about. Now you can see that the filter is located here. So we have to remove this plastic cover. And after that we have to pull out the filter. But first we have to smash it into pieces so we can make it pass by this metal frame that holds the fuses. There are 3 pins that needs to be pressed. Here is the plastic cover that holds the filter. And now we have to pull out the filter. Have to take something so I can catch it. I have pulled it out from the inside with this tool. So now I have to twist it like this all the time. So I can remove it all the way out. It still has the original marking on it. Probably no one ever replaced this. You can see the condition of the filter is very terrible. And you can see the original logo on the filter. So this one was made in 17, we are 2025. So this year this filter hasn't been changed for 8 years because it's very easy to replace it. Thank you, engineers. So now I'm going to install the new cabin filter. Here I have new cabin filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. This is the part number. And the cabin filter is finally in, all twisted inside, so I hope it will return to its normal condition after a while, and it will do his job like it's supposed to do. Now I can push it all the way in and install the plastic cap. To make sure that is, I'm gonna need both hands, sorry. You've installed the plastic cap, so now I can install this upper cover. Like this. I'm going to return the plastic pins. There's 3 of them total. and I can return the fuse box cover. Like this. Sorry, it's not installed properly. So this box is also a little struggle. There. The cabin filter should take only 5 minutes to replace it. You open this box, remove it from here, return it, and that's it, or at that engine site or everywhere. Not 20 minutes, and you have to destroy the filter to put it inside. I don't know what's the logic. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.